Wait for each other, wait for each other. All right, 1, 2, 3, go. Good job. Show me how you guys go under.
We go under like this.
Yeah.
Like that.
Good job.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Go. Good job, Bubba. Go. Good job. Good job, baby. I'm so proud of you.
So we keep having all this talk about a dog. So, cut a hole in the house. There you go. Not bad. Want to put it in with me?
Doors.
Doors? Okay, let's put it in. So this is becoming way harder than I thought it would be, but these little clips, you can just bend them off from here to get the right distance you need, because not all walls are, of course, the same length. And then they give you one little nut, and I was wondering what that was for. You have to cut these to length to make them the right length. So I'm on cut number 2. Time to do the other 2. Goodness gracious, a project that I thought would take an hour is now 2.5 hours in. So, but whatever. We will have a doggy door. We're down to number 3 cut, and somebody asked me if I want to watch him eat. Show me, Bubba, what's he eating? Whoa, this is my bug child. Loves bugs. That guy's cool, man. What's his name? Maybe Spiky or Yellow something?
Yes,
He's jumping off. Oh, yeah. Doggy door. Well, a job that I thought would be an hour ended up about 2.5. But hey, we got a doggy door. Oh my goodness. Nice and locking. And if you put it in your wall, you're gonna need this extra kit that they don't even sell at the store. Because you can buy these from like Home Depot or Lowe's, or I think we got ours from Home Depot. But then I had to buy this online, a little install kit, because we couldn't put it in our doors because our doors are all glass. So it's nice. And then what? How's your little caterpillar buddy? Is he back safe?
In the shade.
He's in the shade. And Cash, what are you doing, dude?
Relaxing.
You're just resting.
And something else.
What else?
I want to go.
All right, I gotta look for loads now, guys. I make some money. It's Tuesday. But that project's done, and now maybe Tiki gets to come after the fence gets put in.
But Mama's not.
Mama, we're gonna get a fence in next week. All right, love you, boys. Yeah, baby. No loads yet, but we we got our paddle boards in. We got 2 of them. These are $350 on. Did you buy them on Amazon, babe?
Yeah, I bought them.
They are nice, though. 11 feet by 33.
Yep.
So we got them for the lake. Comes with fins, everything. So pretty cool boards. Not bad. Aqua Plus. Whoa, Bubba. Jump on that thing. Hey, now. Can't wait to use these at the lake, can we? Oh, yeah. So no load today, but we definitely got some babies hanging. Truck and wife's answering emails of all things. Little man scraped his foot over here. Hi, Bubba. Yeah, so see if we get some, but it's 2 o'clock and it's just the first day back from everyone being on vacation, which we had a great one. So hope you guys did too. And we'll see if we get some tomorrow, but we're not stressing today. So first days after big 3-day weekends like Labor Day. You get to spend another day with the crazies. Hey, go to the park. But we had a couple loads, but everyone's kind of holding out. They have a lot of trucks right now because everybody was off
We got a sprinkler.
for the weekend. So we got a sprinkler.
Yeah.
Sorry about it, I'm trying to drive in. And
Video.
Video
I am
at the
no
same time.
videographer.
going
Hold
down.
on, boys.
Hold on. Going down the hill. There we go. Whoa.
Hey-o.
That was easy.
That was easy. But yeah,
We'll let Cash-
hopefully we'll have some more trucking content coming up tomorrow.
We let Cash stay home from school today so we can spend time together.
And those longboards, we're going to try and get them out there to the lake at least once before it starts getting too cold. So,
I'm so excited.
but right now we're hitting the park, coming out of the backyard. And we are going to go to the big park first. And then the little park, get some slide time. Woo-hoo.
He said, "Rah." He's gotten the caca down. Have you got that on video yet?
Alright, hope we had some friends at the park though. God bless, hope everyone had a great Labor Day. Thanks for all the questions and everything. And we will have a link to the new giveaway, so please like, subscribe, share a video on Facebook or YouTube or wherever else if you already are subscribed. And yeah, dash cam 500 and $100 cash. God bless and peace out.
Bye.